Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook lead form with Zapier. This is incredibly useful if you want to automatically send your Facebook leads to other apps like Google Sheets, your email marketing platform, or your CRM, saving you hours of manual data entry. First, open your web browser and head over to Zapier.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first, but the process is pretty straightforward and only takes a minute. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. Look for the Zap button and click on it. This is where you'll start building your automation. A Zap is essentially a workflow that connects two or more apps together, and we're about to create one that links your Facebook lead forms to another app of your choice. Next, click on the trigger button. The trigger is what starts your automation, so we need to tell Zapier to watch for new leads from Facebook. In the search bar that appears, type in Facebook lead ads and select it from the results. This sets Facebook as the starting point for your Zap. Now you'll need to choose the trigger event, select new lead as the event. This tells Zapier to run your automation every time someone submits a lead form on your Facebook ads. Once you've selected that, click on Connect a different account and log in with your Facebook credentials. Make sure you're using the ad account that has access to your lead forms, otherwise Zapier won't be able to pull the data. After logging in successfully, click Continue to move forward. At this point, Zapier will ask you to test your trigger to make sure it can access your leads. If you've recently received leads on your Facebook ads, Zapier should be able to pull one in as a test. This might take a moment to load, so just give it a few seconds to connect and retrieve the data. Once your trigger is set up and tested, it's time to add the action. Click the Action button to tell Zapier what you want it to do with the new leads. For this example, let's say you want to store your leads in Google Sheets. Search for and select Google Sheets as your action app, though you can choose any app you prefer, like MailChimp, HubSpot, or Slack. Now choose an action event. If you're using Google Sheets, select Create Spreadsheet Row. This will add each new lead as a new row in your spreadsheet. At this stage, you'll also need to connect your Google Sheets account if you haven't already. Click Continue once you've done that. Zapier will now prompt you to map the fields from your Facebook lead form to the columns in your Google Sheet. This is where you tell Zapier which piece of information goes where, like putting the name in one column and the email in another. Take your time with this step to make sure everything is mapped correctly. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Facebook lead form with Zapier. Now, every time someone fills out your lead form, their information will automatically be sent to your chosen app without you lifting a finger. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.